Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we got another duo collab, this time with Todd from Dad Incredible. Great channel, great dude, awesome cook, great family. Go check him out if you haven't got him already. And we did a live chat, or I did a live chat a while back, and the folk kind of went in there with a tuna fish sandwich. Mine's going to be a tuna steak sandwich. This is going to be open face today. That's what we're going to do. I also want to give a shout out to Holly from Hey Mom, What's for Supper? She's getting close to 100 subscribers. So guys, hey, go check her out. Subscribe to her channel. Tell her Corey sent you. Do the same for Dad Incredible. If you haven't already, give them both a look. She's not in this collab, but Todd and I are. Hey, let's get this tuna steak Sammy going next on Cooking with Corey. All right, our ingredients for the day are some flatbread, some jalapeno, some sweet chili sauce, some pickled ginger, some wasabi. Back there we got it's like a blend of spring lettuce, lemon, mayo, spring onions, green onions, some Italian fusion seasoning. You don't have that, just use what you got. And I got my tuna steaks over here chilling out, and a little bit of soy. Don't do that for too long, 20 minutes max. All right, let's get this thrown together here next. I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't really have a plan, but we're gonna go for it. Chop-o-matic mix. Alright, wasabi mayo time, so 3 tablespoons of mayo and 1 tablespoon of wasabi, lemon that we cut in half, chop that up good, put a little bit of juice of the lemon, excellent, looks good, a little bit of salt, wonderful, and a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. And as Gary over there at GT Barbecue would say, mix, mix. And we have mixed root this. And that's what we're getting out of it. All right, let's sear some tuna next. All right, before we hit the stove, we got our tuna steaks here, yellowfin. Been marinating in soy, no more than 20-30 minutes. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of our Italian fusion rub. Whatever, it does everything. It's my new favorite thing. You get both sides of it. This does have salt in it, so we're going to be careful because we already got the soy in there. Alright, get these suckers over the stove. Sear them. Right, we are back. We need to sear some tuna, so let's get this tuna searing going on. Hot pan, let's put some olive oil in there. One of our tuna steaks. And there's our other tuna steak. Alright. We'll let these go. You can see it rolling up the thing there. We are not going to let these go along the side. I would say these are pretty thin. 30 seconds aside. Okay, we've been rolling around about 30 seconds. Let's do a flip-a-roo here, as Gary would say. Over at GT. Right, this one's a little thinner. Gonna pull him here probably in about 20 seconds. So I give this one 45 seconds to a minute. I've already pulled our first one. I'm gonna turn the heat off here and let you look at the color on that. It looks wonderful. I'm gonna give it a nice little bath, 5 minutes, 5 seconds. And then we're gonna let them rest over there. I'm gonna slice those up and we're gonna build our open face tuna steak sandwich next. Let's build this bad boy. We got our wasabi mayo right here that we will put directly on our flatbread, which I lightly toasted, nothing too hardcore. We'll take our delicious spring mix lettuce that we chopped up, and we'll put that down there. I will at this time add a little bit of the chopped up pickled ginger onto that, like so. A little bit of our green onion, and just a little bit of our jalapeno that we sliced really thin, and our delicious tuna, good medium rare. You see that? So we'll start him like that, like that, like that, like that. Turn him over that way. And we'll start the thing over again, like so, like so. Oops, he fell apart. So he can go there, and he can go there. All right, so there, she's looking good. Now we top her off. Let's top her off with a little bit of more of that Wasabi Mayo that we made. And let's do a little bit of our honey chili sauce. Get that going on there, sweeten it up just a little bit to go with that wasabi. Tease our tongues a little bit. It's always good to go that. All right, that's looking wonderful. Top it off with a few more of our shredded jalapenos. Shredded, cut finely. A little bit more of our delicious lettuce, some green onions, and of course, some more pickled ginger. Not a lot, just a little on the top like that. There you got it, guys. There's my tuna sandwich. It is open faced, yes. We did use frozen tuna. We did get a bit rare on it. I don't know if you can tell, but we did. And that's my version. There's my tuna fish sandwich, so to speak. Hey, don't forget to check out Dad Incredible, Todd at Dad Incredible. Great channel, great channel. I can't say enough good things about Todd and his channel and his family. Also, like I said, don't forget to check out Holly at Hey Mom, What's for Supper. I'll have them both up top, and we'll both be down in the description box. Hey, I did do a GT reference. So Gary, I'll have you up top and in the box also. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day.